stop what you're doing. I found an absolutely incredible deal, so pay attention. As you guys know, I've reviewed, I don't know how many pressure washers, a ton, right? Like a lot of different pressure washers. And one of my highest recommended pressure washers is the Ryobi 1600 PSI, 1.2 GPM, little block unit. It retails for 99 bucks. It does a fantastic job. It actually performs better than what they listed at, the 1600 1.2. I think I can get it up to 1800 and then adjusting the tips, I can't remember, but I can get the GPM up higher than that as well. I think I got it up to 1.4 or something like that. So for a budget setup for detailing your car for around the house, this is kind of my go-to. I'm always recommending this thing. I can't speak highly enough of it. Now, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, right? It doesn't have all the storage, doesn't have wheels, but it's a light little unit, and I have it here for you guys so you can see the picture of it. It's just that little guy. Very simple. Here's the mind blower. It's on sale right now at Home Depot, homedepot.com, for $68. This is the best valued pressure washer I've ever come across at that price, guys. You can't beat it. Go buy one, go buy two. It's a fantastic deal. Now, with that said, everything about this thing is amazing. The pressure washer unit itself works great. Comes with a little foam blaster, but it's crap. It really just throws out wet soap. So I don't recommend that. I definitely recommend upgrading and getting an actual full-blown foam cannon. I'll have a couple linked down in the description for you guys. I'll do a cheap one and then I'll do a more expensive one, but that's my favorite. It's the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And then I'll also link you to an Amazon Basics, which retails for under 20 bucks. Just switch out the little orifice in it to a 1.1. I'll have that video linked down for you guys as well. You'll get more foam out of it. You'll be happy. But anyways, guys, $68. The only thing I don't like about pretty much every single pressure washer that I've tested is the hose. The hoses are, I think on this one it's a 20-footer, I believe, but it kinks, it stays wrapped up. It's a nightmare to deal with. So I always tell people, buy the cheaper. I always recommend this thing because it's normally 100 bucks. At 68 bucks is a crazy deal. And then I always recommend to upgrade your hose immediately. Let me go grab that real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the hose that I love so much. You've heard me talk about it a million times. I'm sure you're all sick of it. But it is the Uberflex hose. The reason I love it is this one, I prefer it. It's 50 feet long, and I prefer that because then if I'm working on a car's average 15 feet or something like that, maybe a little under that, above that, but average about 15 feet. With this thing, you're able to go all the way around it. You don't have to move your pressure washer, especially since this thing doesn't have wheels. You can set it up in one spot. You have 50 feet of hose to get around and get your job done. The reason I love this thing, guys, also is it is extremely pliable. You can't do this with the factory one. It just bunches up, and it doesn't kink. So as you can see, you can get it to kind of roll over on itself and kink, but there's no memory. This material that they use is kind of a softer textured material. It lasts like crazy. I use it every day in my professional detailing business. It's fantastic. You can get this on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below for you guys. 50-footer. You can also get it in 25 feet in this color, or you can get it in this cool red colorway for, and this is a 30-footer. So those are your options there for the hose. You can also get quick connects. I'm gonna link a video down in the description that actually up here that I did, so you guys can check this out, but wait till the end of the video. I'll also put that video at the end of the video in the little card so you guys can go to it from there. But it's all the necessary, my 5 top upgrades for any pressure washer. This hose will be on there, quick connects, all that kind of stuff will be linked in the description on that video, also down in this one. All right, guys, that's it for deal number 1. Yes, I said deal number 1. We have 2 deals today. Now this one I had heard, thank you so much to some of you that watch the channel. You've actually told me that this pressure washer was on sale for 68 bucks. So I decided to make a video and let everyone know because it's such a good deal. Go buy the thing, you won't be disappointed. Deal number 2 though, is I did a video recently on the vacuum that I use, and I say I always upgrade the hose on that to a professional grade hose. It's crush proof, it's longer, it's a fantastic hose. And so this guy here, the Rigid Auto Detailing Kit, is a fantastic kit. The hose is amazing. Let me pop this thing open for you guys. All right, guys, so compared to the hoses that most vacuums come with, they're typically like a 6-footer or something like that. Eventually they crack because they're not super strong. This one is 10 feet long, fantastic. It's a little bit smaller diameter, which I actually like. It's easier to maneuver. It's a crush-proof hose, so you don't have to worry about it breaking on you all the time. Basic connection point, it plugs right in, and then it has your normal, what is this, a 1 1¼ inch nozzle attachment point. So along with this, guys, you do get another little connection point, but we don't need to talk about that. You get a full wide-angled attachment right here, which is really nice. These things typically average, right, guys, if you were just to go buy this piece at Home Depot, they're somewhere around 10 bucks. Some are a little bit more, but basically 10 bucks. We'll just keep it at that. So we've got that. We've got a crevice tool. Again, 10 bucks. This one's amazing because you can see right here, I don't know if you can tell or not, there you go. It is rubberized and it bends. So you can really get in between the seats, under the seats. You can kind of maneuver it to however you need to get where you need to go. Then we also get 2 other attachments. You get a stiff bristle and a soft bristle brush attachment. Personally, I don't use these very much, but again, about 10 bucks a piece. So just there, guys, we're getting into extreme value. So then you have these 2 little connection pieces as well. I don't care about these. So the reason I'm bringing this up to you guys is this thing normally retails around 50 bucks. Online it showed $52.97 or something like that. And it is currently on sale for $25-ish. Hang on. $24.97. It's 53% off right now, guys. I was just at Home Depot. I was walking down one of the end caps, saw it there, and I was like, 25 bucks, that's a crazy deal. So I picked that one up. Actually, I was on my way to the vacuums. Went down there, they didn't have any left there. There was only one on the end cap. I picked it up. Luckily, I went online. They're available online. So go get that as well, guys. It'll make your vacuuming experience way better. So through Amazon, I do have affiliate links. So if you buy the hose or the foam can or anything like that, use the links down below. I get a tiny commission. It helps support the channel. I have 0 affiliation with Home Depot. I get nothing, but I want to bring you guys the absolute most value I can. And guys, I'm telling you right now, this hose kit for sure at 25 bucks is amazing. But this pressure washer, I tell you guys, I've talked about this thing all the time. I love this little pressure washer. I love it at $99. I can't even believe it's 68 bucks. So that's it for you guys. I hope that helps. Again, I'll have all the other attachments linked down in the description below. Quick connects that fit this thing. This, just so you know, this is an M22 by 14 millimeter connection point, meaning these hoses are a direct replacement. You don't have to use any sort of adapter, just plugs right in. If you want an aftermarket pressure washer wand, I'll have those linked down in the description for you below as well. However, just that hose, you can connect to the factory wand that it comes with. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps you. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, turn on those notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one.